Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a shoe mirror of the Nike SB Dunk Low. Let's get into it. This is the third shoe design in this set. So I'm working with Adam over at Pretty Done to take his designs and bring them to life in the mirror form. I've already made the Air Max 95, I've made the Air Jordan 1, and now I'm going to be making the SB Dunk Low. I'll leave a video link up top to some of those other videos. But without further ado, let's get started. Now that you've seen the process of me making it, here is the final mirror design. So it's got some nice blue mirror acrylic, some silver, even some fluorescent orange and mirror orange. And then of course the Nike gold swoosh. So this turned out really well. I like the Dunk Low. It's probably one of my favorites, along with the Air Jordan 1. But it was a lot of fun to make this one. I love the color scheme on this one, probably because it includes blue. But I do like this one a lot, and I think it turned out really well. But let me know in the comments below which one you like the best, either this one or the Air Jordan 1. But that's gonna do it for this project. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you know when I come out with new videos. And be sure to check out my Instagram @MakerExperiment, where I share these projects along the way. I wanna thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and I'll see you in the next one.